In this video I'm going to show you how to unlike all Instagram posts at once. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first open up the Instagram application. There hit at your profile icon. Next, hit on this 3 horizontal bar icon and next hit on your activity. Now here hit on interactions and there tap on likes. There would be the list of all your liked posts on Instagram from all the time. You can swipe down to see all the posts, and now you can open up some post and now you see your like under that post. You can unlike it just like so. You can unlike single post, and also to bulk unlike all the posts from here or some specific post, all you have to do is to hit on select to select some different posts that you want to unlike. Unfortunately, there are no select all option here, but you can quickly tap on that circles to select a lot of posts, and then at the bottom here hit on unlike to bulk unlike all the selected posts. That's all about how to unlike posts on Instagram at once. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.